I feel good. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, I feel fine all of the time. Oh, I feel pumped up.
Woohoo! Florence, Florence, Florence! It took us 3 hours to get here and now it's raining. Well, Florence is beautiful in the rain, but it's really cold. Alright, well let's hope it was worth a 3-hour drive. Let's hope it stops raining. Or it gets warmer. Gets warmer, yeah. Hey, update, it's still raining. There's a good Florence bridge. Ooh, yeah. Let's go there. It's dry. Look how pretty.
Ciao bello, mi conto. Not a problem.
Hi. I wish it rained yesterday.
Yeah.
It's been that bad.
It's still raining and we're still taking this tour. We're basically just walking around, hearing barely audible information about just, my shoes may be getting ruined. We're soaking wet.
We're going to go.
No one wants to be on these tours. They needed.
Kelsey's really pissed.
I'm really pissed that it's raining in Florence and they're just pretending it's not raining and like we're all happy that we're on this tour. Who are you lighting a candle for, Rachel?
My grandpa.
My grandma.
Callie, this thing keeps falling off.
Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Where should I put it? There we go.
I was thinking that we put it on the top here.
It's so warm around these. Yay, it's getting warmer in Florence.
Yay. Just Kelsey and I.
Elaine and Rachel ditched us.
Yeah.
Now they owe us money.
They went to go shopping, and since they went first, they didn't have to pay for about €6 that we had extra that we had to pay.
Now they owe us, so
Yeah, and they don't know that. I don't think they know they owe us. They still don't understand how to choose a restaurant.
no. They just don't get it. I really want a house like that.
This is Kelsey's outfit today.
I know, I wore such a cute outfit today and it's
Some
all rainy.
shoes. Look, they're all wet.
Oh wait, my head. I was wearing this headband before, but I didn't want it to get wet. I should put it back on now that it's not raining.
And her headband.
There we go.
Just look around at all the people taking pictures of all the tourists.
That's what I was looking forward to in Florence, is shopping on that bridge, and then it was raining when we went there, so like no one wanted to stop.
Tan, not tan, tan, not tan.
Colleen has knee problems, so she has to wear a knee brace. There he is.
Oh, no.
He's so attractive. Come on,
I'll
attractive
just
Puma
pretend that
bag
we're
guy. Oh, Rachel, tell the story about how you got your shoes stolen.
Stupid cleaning lady stole my shoes. They're not even big enough to fit anyone's feet.
Rachel left her shoes like right here, and they were white Pumas, and now they're not there, and she got them stolen.
Everyone brush your teeth. Say goodbye to the camera. Bye. Ciao.
If she wanna rock, she rocks. If she wanna roll, she rolls. She can roll with the punch as long as she feels like she's in control. And if she wanna stay, she stays.
We've been been awake 30 of the past 36 hours.